So Shayaz, you have made another beautiful Lego today.
Yes.
Yeah? Let's take a look at that. So this is called a monster truck Lego eater,
Yes.
right? It it eats Legos?
Yes.
Really? So let's have a demonstration. So this looks like the mouth. So can you show us how it works? So you put the Lego inside here, and that's the tongue. It just ate the Lego. Oh look, the Lego is no more to be found. This monster truck just ate the Lego. So now what happens? Oh, there's a back door. Huh? Oh, you found the Lego. Oh, we got hold of the Lego from the back door. Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, and look at the tires. So nice. Humongous tires. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay, bye.